Alright, hopefully you can hear me all good. If so, welcome back to another marvelous live stream. I'm your host, it's MCB, otherwise known as Martin. And yeah, so we're back here doing another stream. Hopefully the chat's going to be working this time. Maybe, hopefully. Is it working? Let me do a little test. Test. I want it to show up in the stream. There's something I saw last time where it just wasn't in like all the scenes because it was hidden, but it doesn't seem to be hidden. But it does seem like I can't see. Okay, there it is. Okay, good. I want to make sure the voices of the people are being seen. So yes, welcome back. This is another coding live stream we have here. We turn on the Metroid music because that is suggested. Hopefully it's going to be a good volume. I know the last time it was a little loud. So maybe this time it'll be a little quiet. I don't know. I'm still trying to levelate. I don't even know if that's the word, but levelate the audio so it's not too loud, not overpowering my voice. You know, because I know that my audio can be a little quiet at times. Anyways, just we're back. Welcome to the chat, everybody. See Gustavo here. He just said no way in like all caps. The name of Word Ducks here. Martin is live again. Yep, I'm live again. Indeed. I was gonna go live yesterday, but I just got really busy. But yeah, today we're back at it. How's it going, by the way, everybody? Are we doing good, hopefully? I've had a pretty decent Wednesday. I went out for a walk. I got some stuff done. Been researching, Linux stuff. You know me, huh? So it's been pretty good for me. But how about everyone else? Because I know Wednesdays can be good, they can be bad. It's hump day, you know, as the one. What was it? What was that an ad for? Anyways, it's for insurance, I think. We had the camel. And it was like, it's hump day. So, yeah. Yeah, let's continue on here. So, I have some things I need to work on. Here we go, desktop. Metroid music. That's some stuff I need to work on. That is going to be a Vexel core here. I want to make some changes to CleverText so I can actually put it on survival, and that will be good. But it's not finished. Nowhere near finished, but it's okay. Yeah, lots of fun stuff. So, I should actually launch Minecraft. I should have done that. I always forget to do that. Yeah, so working on all the fun stuff. Expect some lag as the game launches. I know the stream might be a little like bloop, 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 for like a hot second. So just bear with it. You know, there is a mod I saw on Modrinth, which is a platform to download Minecraft mods from. And it seemed like there was a mod that helped optimize how the game started. So maybe I could try that. Who knows? Alright, so multiplayer. So we have South Hollow, we have Velocity. Test network here. Let's go on South Hollow and let's just see what's going on. Like, I don't know what's going on. So let's just make sure it's all okay. Got a resource pack update. Hopefully it didn't break. I know that sometimes happens when we update the pack. Alright, here we go. Lovely. Got a 2FA. Okay. And hello. You have Word Ducks here. He's like in the darkness. He's like the void. Oh my. But he does have the Thanksgiving hat on. Oh, wait, and he's going. Wee. I hope like, do you all like this update where I made it where you can do that double jump? Like, I really love it. It's a lot of fun. Let me actually make this quieter. Wee. I love it. It's so much fun. You can kind of cheat with the parkour using it though, but that's okay. The parkour, I mean, when you're doing it, that's all up to you if you're going to do it legit. So, lean plus. Oh my, that's interesting username. All right, let's see here. Survival. What's going on survival? Hello. So we got Guy on. We got Heart Zoos on here, Rowan. Interesting. So, yeah, so today one of the things I want to work on is getting CleverText. Oh, look at this. Word Ducks already has full netherite armor here. Oh my gosh. And he's got diamonds. No, it's okay. Don't give me your diamonds. It's better spent on somebody else. Because I'm not really going to be playing too much survival. And that's mainly why I don't have any items. I was going to do a stream, but I never did it on the release because there were some problems. Yes. Let's see if I can find my stream so I can do some promotion. Copy URL. Paste. Some heartsies tuning in into the stream. So yeah, today we're going to be doing some plugin development, but like I said, I think it's always healthy to check in on South Hollow, see how it's going. I'm glad survival is seems to be fine here. You can see the TPS is fine, it's 20. When it released, it was going crazy, so I was like, oh no. Yeah, so like I said, one of the things I want to work on is CleverText. Basically because right now, we were using a chat plugin, but it kind of broke. You can see here it doesn't work for 1.19 exactly. And what is going on, Word Ducks? What is going on? What the heck? That is weird. You were like running in place, and you were inside of the block. Interesting. Well, have fun with that. Oh, people are gonna really want me to do all these things here. Oh my God! Check this out. I saw this in a screenshot. This is really cool. Wow. Okay. I like this. The build is really nice. Wow. Okay. Well, I can see New Hollow. Is that what it's called? Yeah, New Hollow. Very cool. Epic. Yeah, looking good. I like it. Wow. Got a jungle over there. I love the Minecraft jungles. There's something about it. And oh my goodness. Oh, all the new stuff. Interesting. And then what is this? Ant? I think that's, I saw this in the Discord. I think, was it Ghost who's making this? Or not Ghost, sorry, Cosmic now. Cosmic who's making this? Ant? I don't know what this is. I know we're supposed to be coding here, but I need to investigate. What in the world is this ant building? I'm very sure this is Cosmic. And oh, there's a nice little cottage over there. What is going on here? Here are some food and stuffs for Cosmic. I don't know if you're supposed to be in here, Word Ducks. Are you part of this ant building? Whoa. Okay, interesting. Well, that's neat, I guess. I don't know what this is, but cool. Hey, welcome to the stream, Semi. He says, thoughts on the mangrove biome? Are you online? I don't know where a mangrove biome is. I've only seen it in like a picture, I think. So I really not seen it too much. But from the picture I did see, it looked cool. So maybe I don't want to like do any cheating here and like, you know, locate the biome or whatever, but yeah, from the picture I saw like a long time ago, it looked cool. But I don't know if that's the thing though. I don't know if people actually like it or not. Check my homes. Okay. Let's see my homes. Sunday, can I do that? Oh, I can. Home 1. Ooh. That's cool. I like that. What's this? That's cool. What's this? Mud. Yeah, this is cool. I like this. The wood. Let's see the wood. Ooh, the roots. I like that. This is cool. I want to see the water area. I'm pretty sure there's a water area in this biome. No, I'm dying. I need food. This is bad. Okay, now this is just the jungle. Okay, well that's cool. And somebody says home 3 for best shop on the server. Ugh! What are those? Those are the allies, I think. What is this? Bim, Pin, and Tim. Ugh. Why not? I don't like this. It's just like, why are these like flying things in the game? Like I know they're supposed to like give you items or something. I don't know. It's just weird. It doesn't feel like Minecraft. It feels like modded Minecraft. Wait, let's see. Saloon. Oh, and of course Atomicos is here. This is cool. I like this. Fortune. Oh, for 1 diamond. Okay, P rewards. Cool. Did the other one do anything for? Oh, free heal. Okay, I see. Well, I have iron now, so that's nice. Wow. Yeah, this is cool. I like it. I like the Western theme. I think people, like, so far this season, people seem to be very creative, and I like that. It's really cool. Crouch walk in the TARDIS for Atomicos' thing. Oh no, what did he do? I see the whole skulk. Of course. Of course. It's the new blocks and everything. O'Reilly. Trading hall. Oh, okay, that's cool. Frog! He's orange! Look at him! Oh my gosh. That's based. Look at him. Look at his, what is that? The throat? Or something? It's going. Oh, that's awesome. We'll pair it down here too. Well, this is cool. I like this. Ooh. Those are some cool, cool trapdoor. Okay, wow. Huh. Oh, those are the frog lights, I think. Is what they're called. I literally have no armor, no weapons, so I'm just gonna slash spawn, and I'm gonna claim a kit. There's a kit. Adventurer. Here we go. I'm a noob. But here we go. Alright, sick. Well, anyways, that was a good review of survival. I think it's going pretty well on here. Going pretty well. But yeah, anyways, let's get back on to the coding. So, we have some stuff to do here. Like I said, CleverText is what I should be focusing on, so let's hopefully do that. Is it on here? No, it's not. It's on the hub. CleverText. Okay. So as I showed up the last time, if you say a bad word, that it will censor it. So, but not all the bad words have been added to the list. So thus far, there's only a few that have been added to the filter list. I feel like showing this on YouTube is probably bad, but I don't care. Because these are literally filtered words, don't say them. You know, I don't know. And there's obviously worse terms on here you could put. I'm gonna eventually have the whole filter. You know, I'm gonna transfer some of the bad words on here. you know, just a few words, and then we'll figure out what words or problems on survival. I mean, obviously we got some people who play South Hollow Survival on here, so are there any terms that you've seen in the chat that people are trying to say that shouldn't be said? You know, anything that I should immediately block? I'm guessing that's another one I should do. You know, so anyways, that's the config for now. Big old thing, not exactly finished. I mean, it's a lot of code, and this doesn't work. I mean, you can't say that. Is it not added here? Or no, it's not. I just hate showing these bad terms like on. It just I think I'm gonna put the terms off to the side when I type them in. But yeah, I've added that to the thing. Like the thing is, I don't want to add all the terms now. So because there's like a really big thing of phrases I want to add to it, but not like right now, I guess. But yeah, this config serialization, I don't know why this isn't working here, because that's part of Spigot, right? Well, that's okay. It doesn't even matter. I'm just gonna use boost YML. I wanted to use this before, so I guess we can do it. Might as well get used to it. It seems like a cool API, you know. I should check. Oh, my nose. Why is it every time I stream, my nose gets like really itchy? You know, like I think I want to sneeze. Actually, I will. Excuse me. Okay. So yeah, I like this this a lot. Martin, how about the look of the chat? Do you have plans to change it? Of course I do. For now, it's just adding the functionality. You know, as you might have seen in that little section, I don't want to show the words, but there is going to be a section for formats. I want to make it make the formats have be based on permissions. So if somebody wants to have different chat formats, it will be based off the permissions. Hey Unit, welcome to the stream. He said, I love Raid Shadow Legends ads. Wait, did you actually get one on the stream? If you did, that's based. I would love to have like 1 cent from you watching that ad, or like probably even less than that, because you know how it is. Yeah, honestly though, pretty based. Yeah, thanks for not having ad block, I guess. Yeah, so like a lot of these values are just placeholders. I have not added any of this stuff in yet. However, I have added in the chat filter section. So I just don't know why this is weird. Like, why is it saying Java plugin and bucket? Why are all these things not in here anymore? There's obviously an issue with this. Let's see, 1.19. Let's build against that instead. I got an ad based. Word Ducks, did you also get a Raid Shadow Legends ad? I wonder. Okay, it's importing. Hopefully it's gonna be... Okay, there we go. It's okay now. So I don't need to use Boost YML yet. I might switch to it eventually, but if I don't need to use it, it's probably fine for now. So, yeah, okay. So let's just compile this. Let's see what we got. I mean, I think this is basically the same code as it's what's running on the thing right now. As you can see, it's in the hub, and then plugins, CleverText. Open it up with the VS Code, and you can see here we have all the stuff. Like I said, this stuff mainly works, but like not everything. So let's see if I make this exclamation mark. Will that work? So CleverText reload. I need to give myself permission. RP user. doing this as a test. There you go. Yeah. So if you do exclamation marks, it will show up like that. And cool. So that does work, and this permission does work too. So I think I added all this stuff, and then I added this configuration. I want to do more though for this, which is cool. I do want to add other things like replace, and then having the different things. So instead of like replacing the text, I want it to just stop the person from sending the message. Too, that'd be a cool thing to test. So yeah, just lots of fun stuff. Gustavo says ooh in the chat. Yeah, I'm not going to be blocking that. People can ooh to their heart's content, because that's not a crime. I'm actually trying to censor like actual bad words and not like random phrases. So let's see here. So yeah, that does work. That's cool. Just gonna message. Ooh, am I not using Vexel Core? And I'm not. So let's add that in. Ooh. Just gonna copy it from Drusk. To comply with the Microsoft. Make it so you can't say Martin. Honestly, maybe. Like the amount of people who do just like spam, oh my gosh, Martin, when I like hop in a server, it's kind of crazy. So maybe I'll make that a thing. Who knows? Okay, so I want to go into the build Gradle and just kind of copy this over to CleverText. And let's reload. Then while we're here, I do want to, I mean, the last time, this is what we did. So we basically changed the ABT server, and, excuse me, we made it so it shows information here. So if the vendor, and the server software vendor being like per spigot paper, and we only did it for per at this point in time. But if your vendor is detected, and the vendor is something we have information on, the actual API does, then it will make this interactive by having information about the vendors here. So, like for example, per, if it detects it's per, then it makes this string have information about per, so their website, documentation, downloads, the Discord, the source, and the issues page. So it's really cool. Yeah, whitelist is another cool one. So Sus is a whitelisted player on the server, and me. So yeah, I like all the little interaction bits that I've added to this. I think it's really neat to have. And I want to do more with it, but like I said, right now, today is probably more so a CleverText day. Unless I get bored, then I might work on this a little bit more. But really, CleverText is probably the better thing to work on. So I'll close out of that. Don't need it right now. Okay, so that was from before. We're pretty much good with all of this, so I can close out of it. Well, I do need to commit the code for the software vendors. So I'll do that. Oh, and for Drusk too. I need to do that. Remind me, by the end of the stream, remind me before I end it to commit the code. Because I forgot that the last time. I wanted to do that the last time and I forgot it. So I need to do that. Okay. So let's go back here, and now that this is based, I have a lot of notes here, like add support for signs, anvils, and books, mode filtering, so I was talking about earlier, where like mode replace, mode block, depending upon the phrases and stuff like that. Extend filtering to have replacement component. Yep. So let's see, maybe extend filtering to have replacement component customization options. Interesting. But yeah, all that stuff. So it should be good. Yeah, I can't wait to open source this. I just don't want to commit the code yet because I mainly really want to wait until it's like actually properly good, and then I'll throw it in GitHub, and I'll hopefully be able to do a release because I really think this is a great chat filter just because you could do regex with it. So example, you are bad. I'm not actually going to censor bad, but I'm just having it like that as an example. So you are bad, and then it would censor it. And staff members can hover over the finding to see the context of the message to make sure that what was found is actually bad and wasn't actually like a mistake or whatever. Another thing I'm considering adding is like replies. So if somebody says a message like hello, there could be like a little a thing you can click on, and it would basically let you or maybe like run a command, and that command would bring up a menu, chest menu, and you could do different things with it. In the future, that would be stuff like translate, because I do want to make South Hello more accessible, and stuff like that. So having translations would be cool. Again, that's way in the future. Like that's like there's a lot of work needs to be done to even get to that point. So right now, I'm just happy with the filtering that the regex works. Make sure the user can't supply arbitrary regex. You'll end up with redos on your hands. I don't know if they can do that. Let's see. Seems to be okay. Seems to only be taking out the bad terms, so I think it's okay. Since that was fine. Yeah, anyways, welcome to the stream, Fish. Glad you're here. It's fun to have another developer here. Yeah, so right now I want to figure out how I want to do it when it comes to regex denial of service. I don't know how I'd test that. South Hello Braille Edition when? No, sadly that's not something I could do virtually. But like anything that I can do to make it more accessibility friendly would be good. I just don't know exactly what that would be. But like there's totally things I could do. I mean this is a little crazy, but like if a person is in a Discord channel, a bot could join them in the channel, and then they could click on a message, and that would run a command, and that command would talk to the Discord bot, and then the Discord bot could read the text. But that's like a bit much. a bit much. But that's kind of what I mean for having options, I guess, with chat. Yeah, Fish, I want to talk with you more about that regex denial of service to see if I can, if that could be something that could be tested. But just for those who don't know, the regex is going to be set by the user. We do have predefined regex sets. But what I was talking about earlier is like the whole, each filter is going to have different regex. When it comes to things like websites, I want to have it in a different way for the filter, because it doesn't really make sense to have like an entries tab, for example, because it's just like, no, you're just filtering for websites, so this should be a separate thing. But then I need to do something with that to make it a separate thing. So like YouTube.com, that is censored. Unfortunately, YouTube's space.com is not censored. That would probably make me have to redo the system or do some other complicated stuff, and I'm honestly not doing that. And why am I dying? Well, I have no hunger. That's why. Let's respawn. Okay. So, yes. So what do I want to do first? So, probably I want to have a mode for well, actually chat display, because again, the real thing is I want to put this on Solve Hello Survival like ASAP, because 1.19 we don't have a chat thing for that, so that's a problem. So yeah, I want to get that working. This is going to be based off of what I had done before. Sounds like a lot of areas for bottlenecks. Maybe, you know, we'll see. You know, like once I commit it, I'll have you look at the code and you can tell me, or I don't know. I mean, the way I'm doing it is like a little sus, but really it's, when it comes down to it, all I really want, I want to have as many features as possible. Obviously, I'm trying to make this be the best chat filter can possibly be, but the thing I really want was that, you know, feature for having it be able to be a component, so I can show this information upon hovering. Which I have never seen another chat plugin do. That's my little thing. So as long as I can keep doing that, I'm definitely open to doing other things and making it better. I mean, part of my problem is I'm no master developer, so you know, some of this stuff kind of is like, I don't know. But so yeah, so different formats. I want to have the different permissions be set. So I should probably figure this out. So here we go. Chat listener. And there we go. Okay. Okay. So what I would want to probably do is grab from the config file, and from the file, I would grab the value. It comes down to I'm trying to make this be like components. So it'd be like different values would change, so like player name. Actually, would it make, well, yeah, that's fine. And then it would just change that. Okay. So let's see. Add this in real quick. Okay, there we go. That was confusing earlier. Okay, so I forget, how am I doing this here? So for grabbing, where is my chat parser? Here we go, so where am I grabbing this from? So it's from instance get config. Okay, I see how that goes. Okay. So it'd be chat dot formats dot default and all the other stuff. Okay. We needed to figure out if they had a permission. So let's see. So instance dot get config dot get probably want to get a list, because I might want to make this an object for each one of these. So get, well, it's not a string list. It's getting an object. And I think that's what this is. So the get object. I just want to make sure I'm doing this the same way I was doing it here. Yeah, so you'd get the object, then you put the path in, and then you put the class, and you need to register the class over here. So that's cool. Let me comment this out real quick, and I'm just gonna remove that for now. Okay. So let's make a new class here, and this is gonna be chat format class. So components of a chat format, as of right now, is going to be at the name. So string name. There are going to be the permission. So if you have the permission, you will be able to, that will apply it to you. Permission, private int, and this is going to be priority. So the one with the highest priority is going to be chosen if you have like multiple permissions. Components. Yeah. That'll be a thing. So it'll be like components, component dot, what's it? Component dot text, and then it'd be like whatever, and then I'm gonna append like the formatting. Although where did I do this? I did this last in here. In the vendor builder, did I? No, that was just the vendor builder. It was, where is it? Yeah, I know it was in Drusk. Let's not forget which one it was. Is it down here? Yeah, it was. So it's basically, yeah. So it's taking the component and then just appending the special stuff to it. So like open website or whatever it might be. So I probably want to add this to the Vexelcore API, probably, where it's going to be kind of a component type. So it could just really easily kind of have that there. Because it's basically going to be this. I need to make that work with the config. So if it's like, oh, the content, and then the hover message, and then the action, and then based on the action, then the action value. I mean, you're just screwed if you need. All right, based. like how Unit's here. He's like saying, "I love Metroid music." Yes, I try. I mean, this is for you, Unit. This is all you. I know you said you like Metroid, so I'm like, all right, sure. Yeah, I did this before with Vexelcore proxy, actually, if you look at that. I know there's a lot of it's like broken, and it was done in a kind of bad way at this point, because it's like, yeah. But I did it this way, and that's why you will see stuff like those custom commands you have on South Hollow. Like, I don't want to open up stuff I don't want to like need docs stuff, or actually, you know what, it's okay. I could do it over here, and then South Hollow. Here we go. So it's just like this, where there's custom commands, and then those custom commands, they're the little executions. No, here you go. This is it. Send message. So then it basically would say this is the component type, and you can basically send multiple components, and it was just really cool. That we just have here for South Hollow that I made. Those are two custom command things. Custom command and custom commands. That's weird. But anyways, there you go. Yeah, this is basically what I'm trying to recreate. But yeah, let's just see how I did it before. I'm kind of interested. Like, what did I even do? Because I know at the very least I do want to have a kind of a class that kind of handle what type of component it is. It'd actually be pretty smart. I should probably do that right now. I'll add to the FLOSS API under text. Probably. So this is going to be component. What type of component? It's going to be a config component, or this is going to be a interactive component. Why not? I'll just call it that, and then wow, that should have made it a class. I clicked the wrong thing. Okay. Then make it a class, please. Interactive component. And then there's going to be the type. I need to figure out some of the stuff with that, though. So there is the text, of course, a string, text. There's the text. Or the content, I should say, not text. Content. There's the hover. So the main content, hover content. It really should be text because it is main text. Hover text because we're not doing anything other than that probably. Then it's the action, and I need to see here where. Okay, open website. Let's see what that. I'm just gonna hover over and see what it's called. So click event is what it's called in Fiori. Okay. Inventory text, and that'll be yeah. So click event. I should probably document it as that too. So click event. So instead of being what was I calling it? I was calling it action value. So I should call it. Let's just call it click event. And then there's the value for that. Is it always going to be a string? I'm trying to see here. Okay, cool. So the click event. Then you have the hover. And then it's just kind of appending it. Okay, cool. Let's call it event value probably. That makes sense. And I want to not punish the person if they don't have all this stuff there, too. That would also be a good thing to do. And then this would be... okay. It's private, private string event value. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's always going to be a string. This one will have interactive component, public, and it will be string main text, string hover text, click event, and event value. And this dot main text equals main text. This hover text equals hover text. This dot click event equals click event. This dot event value equals event value. Okay, cool. And then and it's just going to return a component. I'll make it get. So it's going to set the values, and then it's going to figure out some stuff. So it's going to be component equals text. Actually, no. MSG componentize, and then main text, and then component that hover event equals new. Well, not hover event. Let's see. How's it done in here? Hover event dot show text. Okay. I think what I'll also do is public static hover event component. And that'll be get hover component, and that'll just be so then it will return hover text at show text. Maybe I have to simplify that code. There we go. Slightly simplified. Nice. Okay. Yeah, get hover component is good. So then I'll just I'll do that. Let's see. Cord is, I think that's how you say the name. Where did you learn to do Java? Well, I kind of did learn, but kind of didn't learn. Like, really, it was like, I fired up. It was Eclipse was the first IDE I used, and then I'm like, I can't figure this out. So then I just started like Googling online, and that's kind of where I kind of watched a bunch of different YouTube videos, and I mean, there's no like really one place. But one good thing, or YouTuber I did watch for some concepts that I was struggling with, what's his name, Cody Simpson, Spigot, so let me link that for you. I don't know if all of his videos are helpful, but I know that some of the ones for some topics that I just was not finding, definitely good. So hopefully that'll help you. Cody Simpson. Do you know backend JavaScript? I mean, I know some JavaScript, but not enough, you could say. Okay. Cool. However, I do want to do component dot, well, if, or actually no, I'll do a switch statement. Switch, click event, and we can kind of, oh. All right, thank you. Do you use Lua? No, I've never used Lua before, but I do know someone who did. And could you send a video on how to learn Lua? Yeah, sorry, I've never touched Lua. The only thing I've ever heard of with that is for making Roblox games. I forget who it was. I knew of somebody who made Roblox games, and he's like, "Oh yeah, dude, I use Lua for Roblox." So yeah, I'm not sure, man. Let's see, click event. Can I just do click event or dot action? Actually, it might just be easier just to do an if. So like if click event equals click event dot I'm not doing change page. I think some of that is internal. Like let's just do like run command. I think it'll be good. I want the type. So click event. Here we go. Okay, click event dot action. There we go. That's what I was looking for. So yeah, there we go. This actually could be fine. And then case. There we go. Nice. So if we're running a command, component dot ooh, actually, no. This is simpler. Maybe. No. Well, for this, it'd be good for the thing, maybe. Like just returning one of these makes sense. There's also the potential of, well, you can have multiple at once, so it's fine. Yeah. So it'd be return, and that'd be message dot run command, and the message text would be the main text. The hover would be the hover text, and then the command run would be the event value. Yeah, that makes sense. And there is case suggest command, return message dot suggest command, main text, hover text, event value. What else is there? So there's there's open website, open URL really. Turn open website, main text, CleverText, event value, and case. What else? Copy content. Copy to clipboard, and then turn message dot copy content, main text, hover, event value. Okay. Neat. This does not cover all of them, which is a problem. But that's okay for now. Like something that you can't add that are like internal from Minecraft. So only the ones that I can. But yeah, so for now this is probably fine. Interaction. Interactive component. Why not? Okay. So in here, let's see. So there's going to be that. So chat format. Here we go. Priority, and then private. It's not what I call it. Interactive component. Component. That should cover what I need, although it's going to be list of interactive components. Yeah, so there we go. Okay. Chat format. I'm going to get an array list just for now. Okay. Cool. So some of the things I want to do, let's see. With this, so once you get the chat format, it's gonna probably cache these. I'm guessing is what I'll do here. So we'll have like the different, maybe a manager for the chat formats. And then like for each format, and we'll see if there is if the permission matches. And then if it does, just apply that. That makes sense, I think. Okay. So why not? Let's make this a format package too to put this in here, just to keep it a bit more organized. Format, and then chat for format manager. And And then we'll do an array list, of course, of chat formats. Oops, I need to make sure that I actually initialize it. Otherwise, it's going to be a bit problematic. Okay. So with the chat formats, let's see. So I can do chat format manager register. So we'll do this. Let's really quickly. Reset manager. Oh, I see. Okay, cool. So that's where it's loading the managers. So private chat format manager, chat format manager. And then this dot chat format manager equals new for manager. Has the instance across, just in case I need it. And pass the instance in here just in case I need access to it. I'm not sure if I will yet. We'll see. So yeah, we need these. This array list is basically a list of the different chat formats that we tapped into. I'm gonna have one of the methods be being able to register. So it'll be public void register. Then you put the chat format in it, and then it would get the chat formats, and then just add the chat format. And then this actually might be a nice little thing to do, just to add do less code or whatever. Just add the permission checker in here. So we'll do a chat format and get format from permission. Kind of a annoyingly long name, but I think that's maybe okay. I think you just keep it as get format. No, yeah, this is the permission. So then it's going to loop through each format to get this information. So let's just do get name, get permission, definitely, get priority, and then get components. So it's going to chat formats for each chat format dot chat format dot get permission. Oops, need to map it too. Stream dot map. Here we go, and then if it I should actually have that be dot equal, so that's null safe, I think. Whatever. So get the format. You're going to find the first one. Okay, so this is going to be an optional chat format. Here we go. And get. right? Is that it? Let's find first. Nerd, hey Riley, welcome to the stream. Optional Boolean. Maybe map is not the right one I'm looking for. Maybe I'm looking for collect. Is that what I'm looking for? I'm looking for the one where you can filter. That's it. That is it. Okay, cool. So, if chat format optional, is present, I think. So like, if it's actually legit, then return chat format optional dot get. Else, actually no, I don't even need to do an else. Return null. Oh, there you go. Return it or else null. Nice. That's the easy way to get the format. Okay. So then here, let's just try it. So we're gonna go and see instance dot get chat format manager dot get format. Ooh, yeah, permission. That probably makes more sense to basically put the player in and then figure out what the permission would be. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. So, let me get format by permission. That's fine. Let's keep it there. But get format. Just get format by player, pretty much. Then you put in UID player UID. Okay. So then. What I need to do is I need to take all of the chat formats, stream it, and then what I want to do is I want to sort by the priority. So that would be, can I not do it like this? Can I not do like chat format and then is that not how you do sorted? How do you do this? Let's see. So how to sort, or Java, how to sort based on value in. Oh, not JSON array. Java, how to sort array based on value. I'm not. Like, is it like Oh. Okay. No, not get from request permission. Returns a stream consisting of the elements of the stream, sorted according to the natural order. Ugh. Oh, map. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. I think. Or like. What's map do? Turns a stream of the results, applying the given function to the elements of the string. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Wait, yeah. Oh wait, never mind. That's not copyrighted. I forgot. But I know it is vocals, and I'm not. I don't want to hear vocals. Let's do what's some good music y'all want to hear? I need some suggestions, but of course it can't be copyrighted. You know, please. Video game music is really not, you know. Like, let's see. Animal Crossing relaxing music. And this seems fine. I don't know, Barbie Danny, what is this? I just want some nice music. Sure. Okay, hopefully this is good. Let me know if it's not loud enough. I feel like that's probably better. Oh, the last time I did it, it made it a little bit too loud, so I'll just do it like that. You let me know. Minecraft music? Oh yeah, you're right actually. Let's do some Minecraft music. Minecraft C418 music. Oh bro, this gets me so nostalgic. Oh my goodness. Oh. Complete 1.18 soundtrack. Ooh. Dude has got like the full stuff. That's crazy. Nice. Let's just do this. Let me know if it's is it loud enough? Let me know. Oh yeah. Maybe that's good. Because the thing is, with the Minecraft music, the volume goes. So hopefully that's good. Oh, this makes me emotional. I love this. C418's Minecraft music is so good. I love it. It's so good. It is just, I have nothing else to say. So good. Okay. Stream. I love it. It's so good. Okay, let's see. What are you looking for here? Let's just see. For each chat format, no, it's not what we're looking for. I don't want to filter. Okay, let's search this. Java sort. Is this an array? Yeah. Sort array by function return value. same method as Java. These are all numbers. Let's see. What's applying the function to the elements? Okay, so Java sort array based on element method. Comparator.comparing. Ooh, that makes more sense. Okay. Maybe. So then you put a comparator in here. Okay, I didn't know that. I don't know. Cool. You're pretty. Oh, cool. Okay. And then it's sorted now, then... Ooh, I should do it reverse. Reversed. I want to check the smallest number, and then once it finally gets... Oh, wait, no. I do want to do it from the top. Okay, yeah. For each chat format dot get permission. So if player player, or actually, it's fine with command sender. We know it always be another player. If player.has permission, return chat format. What's wrong? Unexpected return value. I don't know what's confusing about that. Why is that unexpected? Maybe I need to say chat format. And then chat format A. And then chat format A equals chat format. No. Convert to atomic. Okay, that's what it wants. Cool. I guess that makes sense because it's looping through it. So let's see. Chat format or final. Found chat format. Dot set chat format. And then return found chat format dot get. Well, if actually no. Oh, okay. So if it's null, return null, and if it's not, send it, because I don't have a null pointer exception. So. Yeah. Okay, that should be fine. Is the music still good? So I know it's going different levels here. But, it's a bop. Okay, what's complaining? This is complaining. So chat format equals that. Chat format. And then I just do stuff from there. Cool. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I think you're complaining. Complaining about what? I just want to make sure that music's not too loud. Because the last stream, it was a little bit loud in my opinion. Then message, and then we're going to send it to the player, and it's going to be chat format dot components. But you don't like that. Oh, because they are not actually components. Huh. Stream. Can I do the map to do the function? No, map is not for that. Okay, let's see. You asked what's complaining. Oh. I just want to return all of them by their values. Why is that just not a thing? Should really learn what some of this stuff does. But I know at least for each can be Oh, I should actually add a thing actually just to make my life a bit easier probably. So get components is one of them. Get interactive components, but then if I wanted to do this to make my life easier, public array list of components. Again, why would I want the Java one? I want the query adventure chat. Get components. Here we go. So then it would be components dot stream. Oh, Minecraft music. It's not math. Not for each. I mean, I guess maybe actually. Let's see. What would that do? No, not try. Is that like actually gonna return the correct stuff? No. That's a void. Cool. I just want to add all of these. Like, I want to, for each one of them, I want it to return for each the method of get. So the value of the method of the object. And it should be easier. I know how I could do it where it's like, oh, for component in components dot stream dot whatever. But again, this isn't, or is that actually how you do it? Was that what was I missing that before? Can I just do this? No. Well, hey, nearly there. 2. Arrays dot to arrays dot stream. I'm guessing I can put in and I don't want to be as list, but like stream. Okay. I want to do list. Because this can be no to array. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, here we go. So this, and then... Oh, okay, here we go. Let's do an array, but I want to do... What's the one just to collect all of them? Find first. Find any. There's two lists. I guess I just need to do Java get array list from list. Or Java list into array list. That's what I need to return. Actually, do I need to return that or need to return? Let's see, what do I have in the message thing here? I can just do both. Array list and list. Yeah. I should be able to just do that. So why not just have it be list? I mean, it's final anyways. So get components. Get components, and then okay, so no. Oh, command sender. That's a typo, really? That's silly. It should be doing this one, and like player is a instance of command sender, so why is it complaining? I mean, really. Because yeah, having it be this, it should be fine. I mean, it's even turning into a list. So I guess we'll go list a component, messages, and then messages for each. Yeah. Why not? Okay, there we go. So this isn't gonna like completely work for everything because these components are not being changed. Like some of the values are not being changed, which could be a problem. So maybe I need to in the thing here, maybe like format dot Can I do like components dot for each component component dot get dot. Oh, I need to cast, so let's do text component their text component equals text component dot component that get, is it contains or content or text? Which one is it? You're gonna get the string. Right. I want to get the string so I can edit the string and then throw it back in. Ooh, actually, instead of that, it should just be getting the strings, and then it will go through the strings, set the data, then it will return that. I like that instead. Oh, wait, no. Because there's a reason why it's an interactive component. Yes. Okay. So can I just say component dot... Oh, it wouldn't be nice if you could just set the data. That'd be a messy way of doing it, but it's like... Why not? It's fine for now. Where is it? I've lost it. Am I blind? Where? Wait, what? Where is it? I don't see it. Is it like too late for me or something like that? I'm looking for, what am I even looking for? Component. Interactive component. Oh yeah, it's part of the FLOSS API, that's why it's not there. Oh. Okay. I'm going to also do a check if PlaceholderAPI is on the server. Parse the placeholders too. So that'll be part of some check. Can I just like say that like through this? Okay, can I just be like bucket.get server dot or whatever? I wonder. Oh, there's a utility I made for this, I think, for checking if a plugin is there, right? Where did I put that? That was for, was it in Rusk? I know it was probably in the main thing. No, it might have been in create. Was it there? Yes. Hook utils, that's what it's called. That's why it's hard to figure out. Is plugin loaded? Okay. So like, could I realistically be like, hook utils, is plugin loaded, placeholder API, and then if so, it would load some of that stuff in. And while I'm here, I should take that repo, take that repo and put it in it. Actually, no, I don't need to do that because for this one, it'll just it'll do it. If I add it here. So placeholder API. Let's see if they have the or placeholder API Maven Central. I just want to use the real quick Maven Central thing. Oh no, I got the spooky music. We don't need the spooky music for the stream, everybody. We want the happy music. I want the exact Maven thing. Or is it not even on Maven? Actually, no, I'm silly. I'm actually silly. Because I don't even need to package it. Not at all. Because it'll just be there. Okay, cool. Yes. So all I need to do is just add it to the build. Oh, it's already there. Okay, yeah, we're fine. We are fine. So the plugin is loaded. I love the spooky music. Really, you're a spooky person then, probably. Okay, so this is gonna be. So they'll be good for in the get section. I don't even need to do a special thing. I really shouldn't need to do a special thing, at least for setting the placeholders. For main text and hover text, and even event value, I should just kind of parse that. So, I'm not spooky. I'm offended. So be if this is true, and hopefully it won't go crazy if Pappy isn't on there. If it is, then main text. Ooh. Placeholder API dot set placeholders. I do need a player. Oh boy. Okay. Maybe I can get away with that. Because if we're doing it like this, where each chat format has a interactive component, then doing something where you're parsing it through now or then would make more sense. So public void. Actually, I'll make it a boolean so we can, why not? It'll just be a boolean and be like, yeah, it worked or it didn't because it's on the server or not. Parse with placeholder API, then you'll give a player to parse with. Oh, this is nice. I like this one. Which one is it? Cat. Again, I hope it's a good volume for everybody. Let me know. Okay, so then there'll be main text. Okay. Main text equals placeholder API. Excuse me, set placeholders player main text. Hover text equals placeholder API. Set placeholders player hover text. And the event value equals placeholder API. Set placeholders player and event value. Okay. Good. Oh yeah, we need to do this check first. So if it's on the server, do the thing, and then return true, and then if not, return false. Does that make sense? Why is there red? Oh yeah. So for each component, text component dot parse with placeholder API, and you would add the player in there, but you don't need to do that now. You get it, and then the chat listener or chat format. So find you the chat format, then you can get the chat format. So then chat format dot get components. No. Oh, because that strips it away, so it's okay. Okay. So maybe I can say we can do get components, but really I think it should be get components and parse with pappy. Yes, I think that's good. So then it'd be components. Well, components dot for each component, sure, component dot parse with placeholder API. Maybe player, so be player. Wonder if that would actually work. let's see. Let's see. I have no clue if that even makes any sense. Probably no. But hey, we're trying. Not on build, it's to be on the type server. Okay, I do actually wonder if that's gonna work. I think I might need to remove my permission for the other thing, so it doesn't. Yeah, look at this. This is what happens when a generator stops generating, because I took Voyage off. And you have these lovely chunks. I mean, look at this little tree that just fyoink. Does not look messed up at all. Okay. Ah. That's an error. Gamers, we have an error. Cannot do that because found chat format is null. Oh, I need to do a little check. Don't I? So if chat format equals null, yeah, there you go. Oh no, if it doesn't equal null. Actually, no. I should, I'll do it like this. So if it equals, if chat format is null, then that, and then if it's not, then just do normal stuff. So, oh no. So actually, no, opposite. So if it does not equal null, then remove the normal viewers. Okay, cool. That probably works. Maybe, possibly. Let's see what the config looks like. Cool. I just realized I don't think I linked it up with anything. That's why it's not gonna work. I didn't link it up with anything. Like this has no idea this exists, I'm pretty sure. I didn't actually do anything like that. Okay, cool. That's probably part of the issue, right? I think. Let's see. Oh my god, there's a fire. This is not good. The trees are burning. This is like real life. If only I had Voyage on here, I could turn fire spread off. Oh, I do. Voyage. World. Or game rule. Or I don't know what the command is. Yeah, I don't know. I can't save you, tree. I'm sorry. Ratio, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, cool. Yeah, part of this is as I'm not even registering a chat format. I do want to see if it's just gonna do the normal chat then. Hello. Yeah. And there will be no censoring. It's sending it 2 times. Oh no. Hello. Okay. Why is that? I'm just gonna remove this, it's fine. I don't want to do the default anyways. Oh, it's because of this. Okay. I think I'm gonna try to do like an internal chat format. And they'll just send that. And that'll make sense. So, yeah. So it's gonna load the managers. And then load chat formats. So then it'll be chat format manager register, and let's do chat format default chat format equals new chat format And the string name will just be default. Permission, none. Priority, 999, like lowest priority possible. And then, ooh, the components. List.of. And then new interactive component. Main text will be NA. That's so you can parse the colors and everything. Player name. Hover text. Hello, lol. Action. Run a command. I should be able to have these as null, actually, really. Let's try that. So that's just gonna be that. I don't want a hover or anything like that on the. And then we'll have a little and 7. And then what's like the internal Minecraft message, like MSG or that's how, or I think I removed MSG or whatever it was, like some of the default bucket ones I removed. Whisper, no, I removed that as well when I was testing. Okay, just message test lol. That's what I want to do. That is exactly what I'm going to do. Oh, I need to do the chat content or message. I need to parse all that stuff. Painful. So I'm going to click to message. Action dot so just command. That'll be message player name. Okay. That'll be a list. That will just be, that'll be put here. No. It wants an array list. Array list, default, chat format, components equals arrays dot. Oh, it's the same thing as before, isn't it? I'm trying to convert a list into an array. I don't think I ever. Okay, here we go. Java array list. Convert list to array list. New array list. Oh, okay. Ooh. As list is not. Yeah, new array list. What am I talking about? Wait. Yeah, no, yeah. New array list. component equals okay, cool. Oh. Did it actually work? Yo, let's go. That actually worked. Okay. So it's gonna have this as like an internal thing. Why does it not like this? Unchecked assignment. Is that not what it wants? Like it's an array list of interactive components. That's fine, because it is indeed an array list. Oh, that's it. There we go. Lovely. We're just coding so much. Okay, I know this is not gonna be it. I do want to see like where we're at though. Okay, this is also another an issue. Because found chat format is no, I thought I checked for that already. Okay, this is gonna be complicated and messy, but we did some good stuff though. So far, we've got the framework done for like how we want to do this at least. That's good. Okay, there's an A. It's great. There's also an error. Found chat format is null. Oh. Is it here? Chat format manager, here we go. Why if I'm checking? Oh, if it, I'm silly. That was the problem, okay. There we go. Let's see. Oh, I'm at the end of the playlist here. Should do more Minecraft music. I think that that's really fun. I'm gonna click the add button. Let me know if you can add. It'll help me get like 0.0001 AdSense or something, but hey, it helps. Okay, server hub. I do wonder if people actually get ads when I click the button or if it's just a scam. Ah. And then no errors, let's go. Oh, it's not doing the default chat format. Problem, because it's checking if I have permission, and it's like there is no permission. So I should just do a little check, like oh, here we go. Instead of registering this default format, I should have that inside of here. Kinda. The default chat format, so it would oops, wrong. Actually, for like get format by permission, it would be get that or else. That's good. If it's null, then there we go, get the default. Oh my gosh. Even though I'm not really gonna use this particular one, or this. Where's the other one? Oh no, this is it. Okay. I'm like slightly blind here. You can tell when it gets late. I'm just kind of like bleh. Okay, cool. Maybe this will do something. I don't know. That's kind of part of the problem when it gets late. I'm just like, I don't want to think logically. I just want to sleep. But I do want to get this working at least to some degree. It's not going to work 100%, not at all, but just to a small degree. And I'll be satisfied for tonight. We've got some errors because this .click event is null. Yeah, I should handle that. Interactive component. Oops. I think that works. Or actually, no. I want to do it where it's during the get. Like if click event equals null, then okay. And there's going to be so many holes in this code. It's going to be okay. I'll patch them up as I just want to get this to a working state. So if it's null, then just message.componentize main text. Might want to add a comment here. Yeah, I should add that in. So like if this is null, it'll figure it out and like to not do it. So yeah. I'll have to test it out later. But again, I just want this to work, please. Please work. Just in case they didn't copy the other thing, I don't know. Yeah. Let's just see. Anyways, it's 11:12 p.m. for me. How about everybody else here? I know at least Riley, he's same time zone. Yeah, Riley, you getting tired? Are you on South Hollow? Like, what are you doing right now? Besides watching the stream, of course. Which I appreciate. Okay, let's go to hub. Please. Ah. Guys. Oh my god, it did it. It did it, but like in the worst way possible, but it did it. Pappy. Is Pappy on here? No. That's why that is not working. And it's sending it as different messages, so I need to do a thing, hold up, where it's the one-liner with the components. And that would make more sense because I can just fix the issues now. So okay. Let's do this here. So if it is a run command, oh my. So send one line, and you're just putting the components in. Okay, so actually it's just fine. Oh wait, no. Because it's in the component manager or chat format manager. Oh, I love the Minecraft music, it's so good. Okay, here we go. So it is a messagey that send one line. There we go. There's an error here. So someone line wants component and get components while also parsing with Pappy is giving a list of components. Well, this just okay. Well, then we're just gonna do a list. It should not matter. Really should. There we go, fine. So now that should all send in one line, and I also want to add placeholder API to the server. So that's placeholder, because I did a great video on it if people want to check that out. $1800s L. Okay. Is server down here? No, it's not. It is here. CleverText, hub, plugins, placeholder API. There we go. So build this. Let's go. I'm actually pretty happy with the progress that's like being made, because it may seem like it's small, but like it's important changes like this that are actually gonna, you know, get the plugin to where it needs to be. So hello, there we go. It's all in one line. Okay, awesome. And then I can do Pappy eCloud. Oops. LP user permissions set temp placeholder API. Actually, no, I'm setting it forever. Set placeholder API dot star true. Yeah. And then Pappy eCloud download player, and then Pappy reload, and then hello. That did not parse. Player name. Okay. What is the issue? Because Pappy list. We have the player eCloud, and it's player underscore name, I'm pretty sure. So Pappy, parse me, player name. Yeah. So it should be parsing. So let's just go and see if there's a parse error. No. There is not. So let's see, what could be the issue here? That's a Vexel core. So yes, indeed, we have that. So when it sends this back, it's not actually, what is supposed to parse it? So parse, and then send it back. I just don't know if it's having any effect. Like if like it's going to be like, okay, it just did that, but then it's not going to do anything about it. Oh, yes, because it's just doing it to the component. It's not actually doing it to the list. So if I were to say component components dot get, and then that would be like if we're doing components dot for, here we go, for I, here we go. Oh, I love IntelliJ that it can automatically just do that. It's awesome. So if we were to say like components dot get, then you get the index, and then you do parse, parse with Pappy. That might actually make it work. Yeah, I think that would, because that's actually editing the element, and then it sends the elements. I'm not trying to, overly complicate it here, so hopefully that will actually work. And also, while I'm doing that, I should next restart, do the change where is it? Where, or at least in the default thing, there's gonna be a space. There we go. Okay. Hello. Oh, it didn't work. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Wait, I'm seeing that. Huh? Why is that being so? Oh, I think because of the. Oh, there you go. That's why. Okay, now I just want to add in the let's make it a different thing here. You can just add on. And then you'll do string message content. So then for each component, replace text. So it'll be regex. No. Yeah, string regex, and then replacement. So regex, what would you call that? Pattern? That actually would be a pattern. So main text equals pattern dot how do I do the other one? Pattern.compile, pattern.matcher. You know, it'd be simpler just to go pattern. I think it should probably be simpler. Like if it's like main text is like main text dot replace all replace regex. And then with replacement. There we go. And then hover text, same thing, just hover text that replace all with the replacement. And then event value equals event value, replace all. Yeah, there we go. So anyways, parse text, and then we'll say if it's message, then message content. That should work, I think. We shall see. Oh yeah, did I figure why this was not working? I don't know. 11:27. I hope by 12 I can get this done. I should be able to. But you know, in coding it just goes crazy. Sometimes. And it's just a struggle. Okay, here we go. I'm sorry if what I'm saying is nonsensical. I feel like it may be at points. No. Well, it is doing the hover, so that's good. Oh my god. It's because it's like really late, so I know I'm just kind of like, bleh. Oh, I'm not setting the message content or any of that stuff, so that's probably why. Okay, hold up. Partner. Chat format dot parse, and then chat format dot set message content. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Because that's going to be a component. So that's going to be a problem. So... wherever it does have the message... if component it doesn't make any sense. Component PlaceText does not make sense. Yeah, so I just need to find out which component has that, and then I'm just going to delete all the content of that one for now, and then just set it to be that. Oh, interactive component. Actually, that's almost better, right? Because okay. Oh, it's the one with the shooting the chicken. The death. Okay, I'm trying to think here because with this, you're getting the components and they're already parsed through. With this, they're not. Like, wants to be interactive component. So all I really need to do is just have this return as an interactive component. And then it should be fine. So let's get filter manager. Yeah, because that was confusing me for a second. Yeah, I got interactive component. La da 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 da. Where is it? Good question. Yeah, it's gonna be in the other one. Filter manager. Dot filter. So it's literally just gonna be a array list, and I don't want it to be of a text component. I want it to be of a interactive component that I've made here. Actually, no. It just needs to be. No, what am I talking about? It just needs to be an interactive component. So the two of them. Oh, wait, no, because the way it works. No, it can be fine. It can be fine. Interactive component. Interactive component. Let's just try this here for like a hot second. What is result? That's what's being sent back. No. No. Actually, no, it's fine. Array list of the components, sure. With the normal. Basically, I want to do normal components equals new interactive component. This is like normal, so this is for all players, I think. Oh yeah, okay. So the main text is just going to be this get replacement. Oops. Yeah, and then it'll be that for that. And hopefully it'll figure out that, you know, it's gonna be okay. I don't know. I should probably just make my life a little simpler. And instead of saying this, I should just say it's a string. Filtered message. Well, actually, no. No, because input that length. So what it literally is doing is it's adding each little thing. Okay, I see. Filtered snippet. That's the best way I can describe it. So I see here. So array list of component. Yeah. Oops. I see why I was doing that. Yeah, this is the part where I'm like, ooh, it's a little annoying there. Okay, yeah, component, text. Okay. Okay. See, that's just the same business as always with that. But really, when it comes down to it, the results.add new interactive component. And the first one is going to be normal. So that means that the main text is yeah, it's all just components. I see. Oh, okay. So the it might be better just to make it so well, no, it's okay, because basically all the components in that array list for normal is just like a final message. It doesn't need any special treatment. So for now, I should actually focus on a real important one, which is going to be the admin one. That's in my opinion, where I do need to care about how the components are. I can't just set it to text and take the easy route. So I might just say interactive component by components. So public interactive component, and then it'll just be, what is it? An array list of component. And then from that, what was happening before is that it would just send all of them. So you can see it send them all the components. Okay. So when you get it, it's gonna check. So I should maybe have like a little private thing in here, like private type, and I'll just say private, and it'll be like just a type. But I don't want to have a whole enum for that, so I might just do like private boolean already set up. This dot already set up equals false. This dot already set up equals true. And then private array list of components already set or pre-set up preset of components equals new array list. I don't even need to do that. Yeah, this is really scuffed. So, such a not a great way of doing it, but it's okay. I will improve upon it, definitely. I mean, it's not like the worst thing ever, obviously, but it's like it just could be better, you know? Okay, so now it's gonna be like, what? Yes. Array list of interactive components equals instance. Yeah. Yeah, it's always gonna be true. Forgot about that. Fix that bug. So let's see. Hopefully the music's good. Okay. Let's see. Is it gonna work? Of course the music's good. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Ah! Well, it didn't change the message. Oh my goodness. Okay. Why not? Why not? Oh. Again, is it the whole components for I were actually, and then the suggestion is bad? That might have been it. Let's see. We're just going to do a little bit of testing. What does it mean variable expected? Maybe I can't edit it that way, which would be a problem. I thought I could. Okay. I don't get why that's a problem, because it's fetching the interactive component, and then if it is that, then set the interactive component to equal the interactive component, or another one. Maybe I need to just do one where it sets it. Or didn't I do that already? Why am I doing it this way? That doesn't make sense. Like some such content, and it's setting it to an array list of components. Let's do that. Right. Why can I not make an interactive component out of components? I have those components. Oh. Array list set value. Java array list set. Okay, that would be fun. Okay, interesting. Now I'm giving an interactive component, of course. Good. Okay, so interactive component, interactive component. So the whole parse with pappy thing, it needs to set it to a value. It can't just be like, here's an object and then apply something to the object because that's returning a Boolean. So, but if I did say interactive component equals that, then interactive component parse, maybe that will work. Let's try that. It's kind of fun. Like, it's solving a challenge, and it's also seeing like what I can and cannot do, and like, you know, little tips and tricks. Like, you know, as I'm going here, I'm trying to see like, is there a smarter way of doing this? Is there a cool way of doing this? You know, I don't want to just, I guess, I don't know, not try out things that, even though if I know in my mind, that might not work or is probably not going to work, it's good to try it out to at least see what would happen if you do it that way, because then you kind of unlock like, oh, you know, that's what that thing does. You know, I never would have known that. And I kind of get that a lot, where it's like, ooh, I want to, you know, note that for the future. And oh my god, it is still not going. And is someone pinging me on Discord? No, it's fine. Okay. Well, there's no errors, but it's like, oh my goodness. Still. That's annoying, because it shouldn't be that way. It's setting the content and parsing with pappy. And it is indeed message. What if it's just, if it's an issue of like that, like because of the regex. Like, just to make sure that's not a problem. Actually, I don't think that's the problem. Also, it's not taking from here. Oh wait, yeah, because of course it's not. Because it's we're doing it from here. Yeah, man. Okay. Interactive component. Want to get main text in there just for good measure. Is there something I'm like missing here? Because this should be manipulating the array. I mean, it really should. So, you know, I don't know. It really should be, yeah, manipulating the array. So, I don't know. Let's just keep at it here with all the good stuff, I guess. Okay. So what even are the components? That's a good question. Because that's not actually addressing... What is that actually addressing, actually? It's a great question, Martin. So it gives you this, but it doesn't edit the text. It doesn't... No, that's the problem. No, it is tapping into the stuff here. Okay. That'd be a problem though if this isn't editing this, but it should be, right? Like this should be setting the values. I think it is. There's no reason to believe that it's not. Although for good measure, for the parse with placeholders, I think I will do a little system out main text, and then I'll just do main text. And just for good measure, just make sure it is working. And yeah, for each one, get the component, parse, and then set. I don't know why that wouldn't be working. And I am a little too sleepy to figure this out. It's already 12. Oh, my goal, my absolute goal of figuring this out before 12. Oh my goodness. Oh, and of course the creepy music rolls in. No, thank you. Okay. Ah. There we go. Okay, half the equation's done. We have the text. The text is actually working. That's great. It is replacing the text. I can say hello world, and it will. No, it won't work. Never mind. I scammed it. Why? What the heck, bro? What do you mean? What do you mean it's null? Is the first thing working? No, what the hell? I'm so confused. Get main text is null. So if it contains wait, what am I doing? This is... Hold on. Okay, no. Oh, because it's that, of course, it's the main text is going to be null. Okay, so we want to set the main text. If main text equals... Actually, no, if... is preset of component. Preset of components. For each text component, we're just gonna can I not do that? You're not gonna let me do that, will you? Mm-hmm. No, no, no. Okay. South Hello Newsman. Fizz stream is kind of scary. How's it scary? Also, I know it's you, Wordex. Like, it's so funny. It didn't even take, like, originally when the first video came out from the South Hollow Newsman, we were kind of like, who is this? And then we could immediately figure it out. Like, it was easy to figure out just because of, like, everything. But I think the troll is kind of funny. I just hope people don't think South Hollow Newsman is like an official South Hollow thing. I mean, how could you? I mean, obviously it's a joke, you know. I can tell it's a joke, you know. It's obviously, you know. It's like, I don't know, I wonder if some people ever would think it's the official channel. Or something like that. That'd be kind of funny. Okay, so for preset up content. So as component. Wait. No. Preset content is a component. So I want to say text component. I want to cast it to a text component. Please. Thank you. Content. So then we're gonna string. This is such a weird. Like, I don't even ask what I'm doing at this point. This is so stupid. But it's okay. So if it is a preset up thing, just loop through it all, then string builder, dot build. Hello? Is string builder dot build not a thing anymore? Or toString. There we go. That also works. That should prevent the error. I don't know why it worked the first time though. It's like, oh yeah, we're just gonna let your message go through, and then each time after that, it's just gonna. Oh, I also need to solve the placeholder API issue, and I know that's not working because the other one did work just fine. So it's this one that worked just fine. So do I need to do something there? Because I am setting it. It's just a channel I made when I was bored and the staff found out about it. Well, of course, because we go on YouTube and well, not all of us, but like some people do on the occasion, go on YouTube and search up South Hollow, and just to see like people who are making videos about South Hollow, see what they have to say, you know? So of course, we'd find out. Ah, whoa, swag. Why is it the exact same message? This is cursed. This is cursed. This is cursed. Why is it the same thing? Like, actually, why would it send the same thing? Help me. Look at this. Why? What sense does that make? Where is it storing this? Huh? What? What? Oh. In the chat format. Oh, no. What am I doing? What am I doing, bro? Like, I just realized that makes no sense. Is it also on signs? Not yet, but I will add it on signs, books, anvils. But again, I need to get this stupid thing to work. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I see that's why, probably, because it's adding it to the chat format, which is kind of silly of me. Like, why, this is why I shouldn't be quitting when I'm tired. I realize that the error of my ways is I'm editing it, but it's not a copy of it. I'm actually editing the direct thing. Oh my god, that's silly, bro. That's silly. Okay, it's fine though. That is silly. So what I will do is just for the chat format. Yeah, just honestly get components and parse with API, and then just add it all in one. And like, I should not be setting it. I should create a copy of the array. That is the move. That is definitely the move. Array of interactive components. Final components equals arrays.copy of components. So these components are the actual like chat format. Why is that an issue? Okay, copy of is not for that then. Oh, I can just do this, right? And it equals components. Okay, cool. Then the final components, then I could do all the fun stuff where it's all that. So I'll do player, and then interactive component, and then message content component. Ooh, I can't believe I was doing it this dumb way. That makes total sense where the first one would send it. Oh my god, that's so silly. Okay, anyways, yeah, so we're gonna do final components, and then just do for each component in final components, final component dot get main text, I guess, and then if final component get main text can, or it is kind of contains there. Yeah, it contains message. Final component. Yeah. Ow, that, my ears. That hurts so bad. I've had these headphones on for way too long. Oh my goodness. I need to finish this. Okay. Then final component. Parse. Oh yes. Dot stream, then map, interactive component that get, and then it's gonna be to list. Okay. So these other ones can just go boop. Then I'll be player. get 0 for the normal. And this has been a crazy ride. So it's going to give a list of components. I want to send it as 1. Is it actually buffering? That wouldn't be good. IDE error? That's cringe. Okay, it wasn't parsing with Pappy before, so I do want to just see. Well, not that, but final component that parse. So if I were to say parse, oh, PlaceholderAPI, that's probably part of it. So I should see that be logged onto the console. And then, alright, let's see. What happened to the game mode in Teen2 Run V2 that said coming soon? That was basically gonna be, I was gonna do it, and then I think Gustavo, like, he took over because I'm like, hey Gustavo, you're the game lead now, and it was gonna be something that like I was gonna do, but since he was doing the game lead and I got busy with other things, we just kind of never came to fruition. I don't think it would have been too crazy. Like, it was gonna be another one of my concepts. Kind of like quadros, although people didn't really like, care for. I mean, people like quadros, but they also are like, eh. So I don't know. Like, I feel like the average person doesn't like quadros, even though I really like quadros mode, because it's really pinning you against other people, but not in terms of other people being crafty against you, but more of like, this is your own ability to, you know, not freak out under pressure. That's what I like about quadros. But some people just don't like it. When the big group of like Hypixel TNT runners came on, when Hypixel was down, they really liked it. So coming in the V3, I don't know. Ask Gustavo. I mean, probably not. Don't ask him actually, because it'd be a me and him thing probably. But you know, I don't know. Like, it'd be something that I would need to work on, and obviously I'm busy. And no message is sent at all, and there's an error. That's because string to charway text is null. How? So it's at set placeholders. Okay, let's see. Oh, wait. It probably couldn't have bite me in the butt that I didn't do the thing where if any of these are null, it should just set it to be yeah. Yeah, so if main text is null, main text equals just that, else why would this be a problem? Or does it think that if main text equals null now, or if this dot main text is null, this dot main text equals that. Okay. If this dot hover text equals null, this dot hover text is just going to be an empty string. So that way it's not going to be giving me a null error here. I guess it could catch it, but it's like, I'll just set it to be blank, or blank string for now. And if event value is null, then we're just gonna this dot event value equals. Yeah. That may just fix that problem. Hey Aquin, welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm in bus to school right now. What's up? Oh my gosh, you're on the bus? Well, I mean, I guess that makes sense. You're not in America. So, dang, bro. And you're already in school? Back in school? That's unfortunate. I'm still enjoying my my summer break. Although, to be fair, I've got to get busy with college stuff, and I'm a little behind. Well, not too behind though, but you know, I've already did a little bit of my Common App and working on my personal statement, and I got to do my college essay and all that stuff. It's like, not fun. Ah, darn it, that didn't work. What do you mean? Because text is null. But it's not. It cannot be null because I've set it all to not be null. It's like 7 a.m. Oh, well, you guys can see on the stream. For me, it's 12:21 a.m. I'm CST or Central. Good luck with the essays and stuff. Thanks, bro. It's gonna be painful. Oh. Excuse me. No. I don't get this. Why would this? Because it should be that. There should be no null. There cannot possibly be a null error. It's like main text, okay, and then it gets to the message. Now, to be fair, this is being skipped out on. If it's one of these. So I don't actually need to do this because, well, I should. Oh, this is annoying. Really, the issue here is that I'll just keep that in for now. The issue here is that it's trying to get the main text. I think, is that what this is? Because we have main text, and then that issue. Okay. Newsman, get some sleep, exactly. It's true. Okay. Ooh. What am I even doing here? Okay. Equals string builder. Yeah, the initial contents of the buffer. And it's just going to be empty string. But like, that's better than null. you know? Oof. Darn it. What the heck? This is stupid. How is it null? I'm saying don't be null, so it should not be null. Oh, this is infuriating. Oh, man. It's all gonna be worth it for the chat formatting, hopefully. I'm sleeping right now. I have a feeling you might not be, but okay. I really don't want to go to school, but I have to pain. Is it summer school, Aqueen? Or is it normal school? Because I don't even know like what's popping off over there. Okay, so it's interact component. Parse. And I'll just, I guess, do a little check. Private. Word. Set nulls. Set null. Or replace null text with empty. Two ways of building this, and we have Is that gonna work? What do you mean IDE error? What do you mean IntelliJ? Are you okay, IntelliJ? My teacher teached us we could do drugs, but never be alone when doing drugs. He's a great teacher. Interesting. Normal school, very annoying. Oh. Normal school. Now it's the opposite. Now it's the opposite where my username is appearing but not the message. Oh my god. Well, at least we got the username. That's good. So Pappy placeholders are parsing. But what about the message? Okay, no error. Wait. Main text. And it's just nothing. That's nice. Okay. Well, it should be at least replacing it. Like, if the component, messages equals overrated. Oh my gosh. Body language is the real way. You do that through Minecraft, bro. gosh. Okay. Man, why did I subject myself to this tonight? Because I want the chat formatting to work for South Hollow Survival. That's why. I'm just gonna throw it on prod, probably, if I get this to work. I mean, I'm already how many hours in at this point? I'm already 3.5 hours in. I might as well try to get this to work. You know, finishing pieces. Oh man, okay. These final components are based off of that, and then so system.out.println. This is being done in such a just bad way, bro. Oh my, well, it's not that bad, but it's like, oh my gosh, you're working so much. Well, you need to do like college and stuff. Yep. I need to prepare for college. And I got all that stuff to do. But like, oh my gosh, South Hollow. I'm already so behind on like everything that needs to be done. So I'm like, that's why I'm about to bully the whole staff team to help me with my plugins here. See, it's getting it. Lol XD. Oh man. Okay. There's some difference between the message content and the component. Probably, maybe. Maybe. No, shouldn't be the case, because if you get the main text, which is what I'm doing here, it's going to see that it's a preset of component, and then it gets all the content. Yeah, okay. Why am I doing it file component? It should just be component. That's confusing. Otherwise. So it detects that and it's saying component, that particular component. No. No, it should be fine. So it's making the component be equal to that. So if I can parse Pappy. Text after. This is the debugging life, guys and gals and NB pals. Oh my god, I've heard that phrase way too much. But like, bro, this is where it's at when you're debugging. I'm trying to see if the value of this is actually setting to the right thing. I don't know if it will. I hope it will. That's the one thing about like the message redacted. I didn't even get to read it. Oh my gosh. I'm a girl, yes, yes, huh? See, main text, it's not doing it, but text after it, like it knows it's setting it correctly. So legitimately, what is the problem? Because at that stage, all you're doing is sending it. Like after that, you know, so if it's doing it correctly, and what in the world is missing? What is missing? So it's getting all these, and it's for each component. It's getting it. It's a component. I can get that. Text component. Content. This is the text component content setting. I literally I'm like at a loss here. Genuinely at a loss. Can't even say anything now. This is terrible. Cannot be cast. Oh yeah, because it's an interactive. Is that part of it? No. Race fucking slime. I'm just punching the slime. It's not. How could that be racist to punch a Minecraft mob? It's green. It's not even like it's a, you know, whatever. Ugh. Oh my god, it's not working. TC content. That's the problem. Yep, TC content. So it's a component. Dot parse with placeholder API. That works. But not setting what is it missing? It's missing something. I think it is setting it to that. It's just it's missing. Message content component is missing something. Okay, so excuse me. They're building these as interactive components. That should be fine because it's, you know, when you're getting it back, you're hopefully that was not the problem. I don't think so though. It would be good to test that, just to see, like, I mean, that is probably the issue. Like the thing it's being set to is not actually doing what it needs to do. Like, or did I already test that? I don't even remember. It's bad that I do not remember. Okay, I'll leave for now. Bye, and wish you luck. Thank you, Queen. Have a good day at school. Okay. The life of someone who's trying to debug their code desperately. Oh my goodness. The life of someone who just wants their code to work. Oh my goodness. Ugh. I can't believe this. I've been so close for like way too long. Why? So the actual content. Main text is fine. The component text is not. But why would that not be fine? And more importantly, why is it not setting it? Because this should be nothing. This should be blank. If you know, if it's getting blank, it should be blank. Oh my. What am I missing? And this is why I should not be doing this so late. When I'm way too tired. That's so weird because yeah, you get the main text and that's has the stuff. And it's getting the main text from from the elements. So the data's there, right? Like, that's just why it doesn't make any sense. Oh man, I just made something and I do not understand why it doesn't work. What a mood. At least it's not spamming errors in the console, but like, oh my goodness. And I had it working earlier too, which is why I'm like ultra confused, because like it was working, I did a few things, and now it's not. Like, why is it not changing the message? It's activating, because it, you know, it's going through, it's running the code down here. It knows that, yeah, it contains it. But then it sets it. Maybe I should do that first, and then that next. Something to do with Pappy, the way it's changing it? Probably not, but hey, if that's the reason, then sure. What's this? Value message content inside the component is never used. I was suspecting such. Yep. Okay, final components. For I just have to do it at this point. Final components. Gotta get I. Yeah, well, I hope this is still gonna work after this. And then with the main text contains we're going to set I. It's a component. What is wrong? Sure. Get rid of the old. Yeah, build Vexel core. I don't know why not. CleverText, please work. It worked. Oh my god, it worked. You can actually have a piece of text associated with your name. Oh my god. Finally. Oh Finally. Thank everything. That is awesome. Okay, cool. Man, oh man. So now I need to make this actually look pretty. So the hover is fine. Oh, there is no hover now. Interesting. Okay, you know what? I don't care. I don't care that there's no hover because, you know what? It like doesn't work, but it works. And that's fine for now. I have a lot of stuff to work on for next time. A lot. Because this needs to be improved. There's a lot of holes in the code and things that just don't work the way they should. And it's not even connected up to the config file yet. But in theory, we have something that is working to a degree. And that makes me very happy. So, anyways, thank you to everyone who's tuned in, even if it's for a little bit. And for those who stuck through the whole way, very based of you. Hopefully you had fun listening to the stream or watching, whatever. And yeah, I will see you later. Goodbye. Not starting soon. Thanks for watching.